Hey there, Marc Baptiste here, the General. I'm going to be playing Collision 5A. I've got the Reach, and I've got the standard 5As, and I've also got the nylon tips here. Loving them. I don't know why it's taken me so long to find them myself. But yeah, I'm a freelance drummer from the London, UK. I'm going to be playing a track for you from the Love Is album, which is from Sinai. Hope you like it.